tayo ng dahon ng saging. Ito. Kailangan yung dahon ng saging hindi siya lapat sa lupa, no? Kailangan yung nakasabit pa po. Huwag yung nakalapat sa lupa kasi meron na pong bubuhay na amag doon.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay.
Pag ganitong side sa lupa, ikat lang po natin yung part na ibaba.
I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night.
So, maliliit lang yung gayat natin sa ating dahon, no? Kasi dito ko lang po sila papatubuin sa basket. Wala dito, sira na po. Nakapakinabangan pa po natin to. Okay na okay po to, lalo na kung kayo ay nasa syudad, tapos mahilig po kayo sa kabuti, no? Pwede po kayo magpatubo kahit nasa bahay lang kayo, gamit po yung ating mga basket.
Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work.
Babad natin siya ngayon, tapos bukas pa natin siya pagtatamnan ng binhi. Ano po? Ano yung ginagamit namin babaran? Kaya konti lang yung gagawin ko, parang pandito lang talaga siya. At least mapapakita ko sa inyo na pwede tayong magpatubo ng kabuti kahit nasa loob lang tayo ng bahay, no?
Some better days, 'cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days, living life.
Good morning mga katribo. Ito na po yung pinabad natin ng 12 hours o ng magdamag. Ano po? Ilalagay po natin siya dito tapos i-drain po natin siya ng 30 minutes bago po natin siya taniman. Ano po? Yung ating dahon ng saging after 30 minutes. Ilalagay na po natin siya dito.